Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. This video tells about the Borobudur Temple, a World Wonder Tour in Indonesia. Borobudur Temple is located in Magelang, Central Java, which is a rich historical value but also has the charm of architectural beauty in style of the Buddhist temple. The temple, which was founded during the reign of the Sailendra dynasty in the ancient Mataram Kingdom, is the largest Buddhist temple archaeological site in the world. The magnificent building with the unique architecture of the Borobudur Temple always fascinate tourists. Borobudur Temple is one of the tourist attractions that should not be missed when visit Magelang, Central Java. Borobudur Temple was built in the 8th and 9th centuries around the year 800 AD, which is a follower of Mahayana Buddhism. Built by King Samaratungga during the time of the Sailendra dynasty in 824 AD. Borobudur Temple was complete in 874 AD by Queen Prabu Dawardhani, daughter of Samaratungga. Borobudur Temple has a very wide temple footprint, its size 123 times 123 square meter. Borobudur Temple is 35 meter high, consisting of 504 Buddha statues, 72 overlay stupa and 1 main stupa. Borobudur Temple has been buried for centuries. Borobudur Temple was rediscovered in the year 1814 by the British government General Thomas Stamford Raffles while he was on the island of Java. Inside the Borobudur Temple, there are 2,672 panels. His relief ensemble is the most complete in the world and nothing compared to his artistic value because its skin is a complete masterpiece. There are 504 Buddha statues. However, the panel was not complete because 160 of them was hoarded because they were considered vulgar. In the year 1991, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, or the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO designated Borobudur Temple as one of the World Heritage. At the Borobudur Temple, a Light of Peace event was also held, which was the release of very beautiful lantern in the courtyard of the Borobudur Temple. On the 18th of May 2019, which is a celebration of Vesak Buddhist in Indonesia. What do you think about this Borobudur Temple? Write your comment in the comment column. Sorry if in this video there are errors in the pronunciation of the word. Thank you for those of you who have watched my video to the end. Share this video with your friend. See you in my next video.